hope you had a wonderful weekend. Oh my goodness, it's been so cold. Can you believe it? It really does feel like winter now. All right, so we are back into another Cool Wonders unit. It's about weather and what happens in different types of weather. That's what we're going to be talking about this week. We've got a really cute story. I like the cover of our book this week with that funny gorilla on the front. All right, and it's titled Rain. And I really believe you're going to enjoy this story this week that you will be reading. It's a fantasy story. All right, and later this week we will be talking about clouds and learning about different types of clouds. We have a new letter this week, and it's the letter K. So we'll be singing a funny song about a koala. All right. Today, I'd love it if you did the Jack Hartman K songs on YouTube. Those will be a great way to practice your k sound. All right. But right now, let's look at some of my K words. What is this a picture of? A king. King. We hear that k at the beginning of the word. It's kind of a funny looking king. Looks like a puppet. Oh, this one's adorable. What's that? That's a kitten. Oh, wow. What a cute kitten. Kitten. We hear the k sound at the beginning of the word kitten. Ooh, another cool animal. What's this one called? If you said kangaroo, you are correct. Kangaroo. And we can even see her little Joey in the pouch. Oh my goodness. I remember when we read the story Pouch earlier this year. Oh, such a great one. So funny. Remember when he would go, pouch, and he'd hop back in his mama's pouch because he was so scared. It's kind of neat seeing a real photograph of a kangaroo. All right, so kangaroo is a great word to help us with the letter K this week. We have a lot of friends in our class who have K names. Can any of you think of those friends? Katrina and Camilla. Their names begin with the letter K. Can you think of anybody else who has a K name? If I forgot you, I am, I thought of another one right now. Kalia. She's got that K letter at the beginning of her name. All right. And if there's more of you in the room with the letter K at the beginning of your name, I'm sorry, I'm not remembering off the top of my head. Maybe I will remember as the video goes on. We are also going to talk this week about K at the end of words. All right, but that's going to look a little different. And we're going to put two letters together for that one. What's this letter? C, that's right. And what sound does C make? Very good. And then we're going to put it with the K. Slide, kick. All right, that marker is not very good. So we're going to put these two letters together. Now, just because they're together doesn't mean we're going to say both of them. So when CK walk together, we just give the k sound one time. All right. And in a few moments, we're going to be writing some words that end with the k sound, and we'll be using that CK. Okay, friends. But first, I want to show you our new sight words. We're getting to the point of the year now where you're getting 2 words a week. This is one of your new words. Who knows what it is? She. Your other word was. So these new words are going to go right up on our wall this week so that you can use them when you're writing during our writing time and for sentences and for rainbow writing. All right, so we've got the word she and we've got the word was. Now, I'm going to tuck these into our sight word deck right now I'm going to hide them in there. And hopefully you remember them when we're going through our sight words right now. All right, let's do this. The. Can. There's one of the words. Was. Did you get it? Oh, I hope so. This one. Go. Has. Is. That's from last week. Little. I. This. See. A. Like. To. And. You. She. That's where it was hiding. That's where she was hiding, I should say. Do. My. Are. With. And he. Right? Every single night, kindergarten, you should be reviewing these words. They are right on the back of your VIP. All right, and I look forward to going through those again with you this week, and I'm certain you'll be getting more stars added to the back there. All right, at this time, I would like you to get your handwriting page, all right, with the 10 lines on it. We're going to practice some of our words right now, do our handwriting practice. So walking feet to your table spot, wake up that pencil box. All right, we are using pencils. All right, if you don't have one that's sharpened in your box, there's a basket full, all right, by my desk. Use those, please. And remember, you are not to use the pencil sharpener, but the substitute can, and Mrs. Lefebvre and Mrs. Stewart can. All right, so let's do some awesome sauce writing. Now, I've got my board, my marker. You're getting your pencils ready. And I've got to find our words. All right, we are going to start with the name Kim. Kim will be in our story this week. All right, since it's a name, what kind of K are we going to start with? Capital K, that's right. Here we go. Straight line down. And then we're going to slide, kick. Kim. I. Kim. That's right. Dive down. We. You do it. Kim. My tissue's hiding under here. That's what I'm erasing with. Kim. All right. Let's write another name. It. All right. We're going to make this a name. All right. It also could be used to say like first aid kit. All right. But because it's a name, we're going to use a capital what? K, that's right. Here we go. Straight line down. Go to that top line. Slide in. Kick. K's kick. That's right. Tall T, cross in the middle. Got my bubbly drink here just like I do at school sometimes. This one's pineapple. I love it. Kit. All right. We're going to take away the t. We're going to delete it. We're going to get rid of it. And we're going to change it to a d at the end. All right, so it won't be kit anymore. It's going to end with a d. What's that new word? Did you say kid? You're right. Let's write it. Here we go. I'm going to do a lowercase. Here we go. Straight line down, just like capital. But we're going to slide lower. So here we go. You're at that dotted line on your paper. Slide, kick. What letter? I. Good job. Kid. D. Magic. See? Up like a helicopter. Up. Down. D's have backpacks. D. Kid. You do it. Okay. I'm going to take away that ending sound again. What's my ending sound in this word? D. Good job. What letter makes that D sound? D. Great. Now, erasing it. But we're going to keep the k, but we're going to give it a new ending. And we're going to use those 2 letters I talked about a little while ago when we first started our video. All right. So our new word is k. Now, I know you only hear 3 sounds. All right. K, k. But there's 4 letters. Watch. Straight line down. Slide, kick. K, k. C, K. All right. We're going to put those 2 letters together. Kick. Now, I don't read this word ick. I don't give it 2 sounds at the end. When those 2 letters walk together, they just give 1 sound. All right? So in your brain, when you see CK walking together, you're thinking, oh, they go k. All right? What's this word again? Kick. It's a good one. K's like to kick. All right. Now let's write a different word. Listen to my sounds. R, a, k. R, a, k. What's that word? Yes, rock. Good job. Here we go. R. Dive down, little hop. A. What 2 letters are we going to write? You got it. C, K. Slide, kick. Rock. Now we're going to write a word that rhymes with rock. I'm going to take away the r at the beginning, and we're going to add the l sound. What's our new word? Lock. Yes, lock. Like we have to lock the door. Let's write the word lock now. Here we go. L. Straight line down. Looks like a number 1. Oh, for octopus. And then k. CK. Lock. Lock, rock, rhyming words. Now let's do another couple words. Let's try this one. B-ack. You want to chop it with me? I'm going to hold my board. I'm just going to chop with one hand. Do it with me. B-ack. What's the word? Back. Good job. Let's write it. B-b-b-b-b. Bees have bellies. Bees blow bubbles. Dive down, up, blow a bubble. B, b, b. A, A. A for apple. Magic C up like helicopter, pull down. B, A, K, K, K. What two letters am I going to put at the end? That's right, C-K. Here we go. Magic C. And then our K. Straight line down. Slide, kick. Back. Let's write one more word using our k ending. Listen to this one. D, A, K. Let's chop it. D, A, K. What's the word? Yes, deck, deck. All right, D, D, D. What letter? That's right, D. Here we go. Magic. See, up like a helicopter, up, 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 down. D, D, D. D's have backpacks. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah. Hint. Elephant. E. Hit the ball, run the bases. D, A, K, K, K. That's right, C, and straight line down, slide, kick. Deck. Deck. All right, we need to write those sight words now. Okay, the first one is she. S-H-E. She. Now, do we sound out our sight words? No. We just have to know them. We have to memorize them. She. This word's kind of funny because if I cover up the S, what other sight word's hiding in there? He. I love when I find words hiding in other words. I bet you can be a word hunter too. She. Who remembers our other sight word this week? Are you saying was? Awesome. Was. Down, climb up, slide down, climb up. W, w, w. S, was. Was. All those letters should be bumping your middle line and your bottom line. None of them are tall and none of them are under the water. Was. Great job, kindergarten. You just wrote 10 words. I think I counted right. There should be 10. Now, let's do a little bit more before I say goodbye. So you're going to keep working with the letter K today. I know you're going to do a great job. Since your unit is about weather, I thought it would be fun to share with you some crazy facts about weather. So, my son Landon loves to read. He gets super excited when he gets fact books. He often gets them for Christmas or for birthday gifts. So, I found his National Geographic Kids book today. And it's called The Ultimate Weird But True Wacky Facts and Photos. All right. Maybe Mr. Witten even has books like this in the library you could check out. They're cool. So, I opened up to the wacky weather page, and it's actually called Freaky Weather. Okay? So, and the side here, we see a super tornado. Isn't that crazy? So crazy. So, why it's so crazy? Its winds can get up to 300 miles an hour. And these types of tornadoes that are that strong can really cause a lot of damage. All right? So, how they happen? Supercell thunderstorms sometimes spin into huge horizontal cyclones like this. called mesocyclones. Oh, I hope I said that right. All right. And if these spinning storms tip down and touch down on the ground, they become terrifying twisters. We don't really have storms like this, friends, where we live. Sometimes you'll hear about tornadoes. Not too often where we live. Other parts of our country, they have them a lot. I like this one here. It's titled Confused Rainbows. It looks like a smile, doesn't it? So these usually happen in colder areas because they're caused by how the light goes through ice crystals rather than raindrops. Can I tell you what? I really want to see an upside down rainbow now. That is so neat. So neat. All right, we're going to be learning about clouds later this week. And these are tube-shaped clouds. Aren't those amazing? All right, and this one, they're saying that these are really odd clouds and they form over northern Australia and they can stretch for 620 miles. Oh my gosh, isn't that amazing? Weather's so cool. We're gonna have fun learning about clouds later this week. What else? Oh, this is cool. This is hail. These are big balls of ice. Do you see? They're right in the hands. And hail is created when updrafts carry raindrops as high as 50,000 feet. Oh my gosh, that's so high in the air. All right. And the longer the hail is carried by the wind, the more ice crystals it collects and the bigger it gets. So it's like super-sized hail. Now, when I've experienced hail most of the time, it's like little pebbles almost hitting my car. That would be crazy if things that big were coming out. Yeah, that's crazy. Like snowballs. All right. So weather is super cool, and you're going to learn a lot more about it as the week goes on. Maybe I need to bring this book with me to school. What do you think? I think so. Now, on Friday, I was showing you my big Duplos here, and I talked about how you are going to be using snap cubes to show how other numbers live inside numbers. So right now, if it's possible, can you all please, in your busy tub, and help a friend if they don't have enough, can you all get, right now, 7 snap cubes? 7. That would be great, because Friday we did 6. All right. And if you need to like pause the video right now so everyone can give their snap cubes, that's okay. I totally understand. All right. But I'd like to do some more decomposing numbers with you right now so that you've got a little more of an understanding about it. Plus, it's fun to play with these. I like it. So 7 snap cubes. 7. All right. Do you have your snap cubes? Okay. Now, you are sitting wherever the teacher right now wants you to sit. If that is on the rug, then you are mountains and mermaids and you're sitting on your bottom on your letter. Your letter is under your bum, okay? And there are plenty of letters, plenty of space for all the friends. Right. If you're at your table spot, that's great. I want your hands on top and doing the activity. Well, thus they're not underneath in the desk or underneath the table fiddling. Got it? Good. All right, let's make sure we've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we're looking at our tower. We have 7. What is another way we can show 7 with this tower? What numbers are hiding in here? Let's just pull 1 off. 1. And then how many are in my other stack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. We could also do 6 plus 1 is 7. All right. I actually want to write these out. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So I want you to see all the different numbers hiding in our tower. You don't need to write. I'm just showing you this. Let's find out another way we can show 7 with our tower. Well, let's break off 2. 1, 2. 2 over here. How many are in this stack? Did you say 5? Good job. 2 plus 5 is 7. And we can switchy swap that, can't we? 5 and 2 is how many? 7. Good. I'm going to write it down. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And 5 plus 2 equals 7. There's more. How else can we break these apart? Let's pull 3 off. 1, 2, 3. 3 over here. How many are here? 4. So 3 plus 4 is how many? 7. Very good. Switchy swap it. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. Very good. Here I go. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Look at all of these different numbers hiding in our 7. It's amazing. There's another one. When we flippy flop them, there'll be 2, but who knows the other one? Well, let's kind of see our little pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Show me your 7 stack. 7 plus how many? 0. That's right. Equals what? 7. And then we could do 0 plus 7 equals 7. So I'm going to write that one down too. 0 plus 7 equals 7. And 7 plus 0 equals 7. Lots of different ways to show 7. So you will be showing somebody very soon if you can find numbers within a tower. And you won't be getting a 7 tower or a 6 tower because we've done this together, but you'll be getting another one that you're going to show either myself or Mrs. Lefebvre or Mrs. Stewart. All right, to show if you can decompose the numbers. All right, as we are wrapping up for the day, all right, let's just do a little bit of counting by tens because it's fun. And we could always do it with Jack Hartman too. All right, so if you have time later, that would be a great one to practice with Mr. Jack on YouTube. All right, but for right now, let's count together. Are you ready? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time, really fast. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. I know that counting by tens is so fun. And that's silly. All right, kindergarten. I've had lots of fun learning with you. I know it's still kind of different how we're doing it, but at least I get to be with you in some way today, and I love that. I miss you like crazy. Have a wonderful day. Lots of pleases and thank yous, and picking up the floor. Don't leave your crayons on the floor. Put your things in your pencil box so you know where they are. All right, and have fun. Have fun, have fun, have fun. And I will see you soon. All right, love you, friends. Bye-bye.